Hello, welcome to lesson 12. In this lesson, I shall be creating a view called Housefulldetails. After creating this view, I will import it into the data service of the BLAZOR WebAssembly app. So now, we have this table called houses that has 3 columns, and one of the columns is a foreign key called street ID. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the database and I'm going to select new query. After that, I will right click on the blank query screen. I'm going to select the option that says design query in editor. So I'm going to select houses table. I'm also going to select streets table and add it to the query. Then I'm going to click close. So I'm going to select house ID, street number, and then street name. I'm going to change, currently this is an inner join. I'm going to change it to a left outer join. So I right click and I'm going to say select all row from houses, because houses is the left table, so now it's a left outer join. I click OK. I'm going to click execute. There is no data in the table currently. So the next thing I'm going to write is create view house full details as, and I'm going to click execute. So now that the query, the view has been created, if you expand views tab, you can see now we have a view called Housefulldetails. So let's import it into the application. So how do I import it into the application? I'll click on data. I'm going to choose the existing data source, which is SQL Society DB. Then I'll click next. I'm going to select optimistic concurrency. Then I'm going to expand views tab. You can see now Housefulldetails shows up. I'm going to select it. Then I'll click next. I'm pausing the video. I'm not generating pages for CRUD operations right now, so I'll click next. So it's inferring data source. The application is inferring data source, so I'm going to pause the video again. So the application is ready once again. If you go to the server project and you expand services folder and you double click on SQL Society DB service.cs, Okay. Okay. Okay, let me go to models. So you can see we have housefulldetails.cs under models. Yes, also you can see on line 2. Now let me make this bigger a bit. View by, so zoom in. So you can see houseful detail. There is a method in the data service called get houseful details that's also been generated. So this shows that we have successfully imported the query into our data service. Thank you for watching.